Hello, lovely crafty friends. I'm Sasha at Love Builds Up Crafts. Today we'll be foiling over our heat embossed panels. I literally cannot wait to share this, so let's get started. You will need 300 GSM cardstock, some Earl Grey Wow embossing powder. This is just magic. And the Party Popper Trio, which is even more magical, and also their slow drying embossing ink pad. You will also need a heat tool, foiling machine, some gold foil, and some hot foil plates. Everything will be linked in the description, so don't worry about it. Okay, so we'll start by cutting our cardstock into a 3.5 by 8.5 inch panel, which is the traditional slimline size. Then we'll emboss half of that panel with the first layer of our Earl Grey embossing powder. So you see me fanning my panel here so that I don't smudge it when I go in to add my second layer of embossing powder. And what you do is just bump or tap your embossing ink pad onto your panel. So there's really no method to this. You're just getting the ink on, and it's really free stress relief because you get to smack something, right? So anyway, once you've added another layer of your Earl Grey powder, go ahead and make some magic. Just look at that gorgeous Sharkle. I love me some shiny sparkle, which makes Sharkle. Like, Sharkle is sparkling. Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and do the same thing with the other 3 embossing powders on some 4x6 inch panels, and I take my breath away. Guys, this is the result. I mean, look at this. Tell me that is not impressive. If it's not impressive to you, you are clearly not a crafter, are you? So get off my channel, yeah. Okay, no, I'm kidding. The texture alone on these panels is like, it's like resin smooth, okay? I just don't know how to describe it, but the embossing powders with the white and gold bits in them, they give these glossy, yummy panels. The glitter ones have like a roughish texture, and that creates a really nice contrast between smooth and rough texture. So we're gonna go ahead and start foiling now. So I'm using the Gemini foil press from Crafter's Companion. There's also a glimmer foil system from Spellbinders. I will link a video in the description that shows you how to foil with both machines, because clearly I am not the best at instructions. That's why I keep foiling the whole foil plate instead of the paper. Like, seriously, the amount of times I've done this is illegal. That is the Pinkfresh Studio Sweet Blooms foil plate, by the way. So anyway, I want to foil just a bit of our Earl Grey panel, so I'm turning my foil plate sideways so that it covers a smaller area, as you can see there. Then I am just going to grab some gold foil, and also the gold foil is also from Crafter's Companion, and I'm just going to cut like strips that I need to cover the area because I don't want to waste my foil. And my machine has gone green, which means it's ready for foiling. So I'm just going to start placing my strips over the plate, pretty side facing down, and then add my Earl Grey embossed panel over that and cover it. The machine will do its thing, and then I'll put that through my Gemini cutting machine, and this is what we get. Absolute gorgeousness. So the reason I left that gap there was to save my foil, as I mentioned earlier. I know I'm going to be covering that area with flowers, so it really didn't need to be foiled. So before we foil these other panels, I just wanted to show you that you could just use these gorgeous panels as they are to make really beautiful cards. You can just pop a sentiment on there, add a few leaves here and there, and doesn't that look so pretty already? I mean, you've done so little. And you can also add a white cut base, maybe pop in a butterfly or not, but just look at that. If you were to add like some of those gold pearls there, that would be so perfect, wouldn't it? And that was so little effort. And look at this yellow one with the black contrast there. Isn't that just so beautiful? You can pop your butterfly there, and probably a black base would be better for the drama, but that's so pretty, right? Okay, so back to the agenda of foiling. I am going to go ahead and foil each of these panels with the Brighter Days full plate, and it's from Pinkfresh Studios. I'm literally obsessed with Pinkfresh Studios. Like, that is my dream design team. If I ever get on their design team, then I am enough in this life. Trust me, I will not need much else after that. So anyway, whilst these are foiling, I'll just talk about the color and chat that I was supposed to post. So after watching a video of mine, they didn't specify which one. One of my design teams sent me a really weird message. Well, I found it weird anyway, because it said that I shouldn't address them by name whilst filming controversial content. So I was like, whoa, what have you done to make you think that my video about design teams, which I haven't posted, is going to be controversial? You know what I mean? It was one of them ones, because that's the only video that they could be addressing, since most of my content really is just me giggling and really lightweight craft stuff. I don't think I've ever said anything controversial or anything that would be considered controversial before. So that did throw me off a bit. I'm not gonna lie, I am not a confrontational person at all. I hate it so much when people put me in a spot where I have to defend myself for their actions. So weird, right? Like, psh. So anyway, because I did mention that design team in the video, not in a bad way, just that I'm part of their design team, because duh, I have to re-edit the voiceover, but I've decided to just bun it. I'm going to do a full-on let's chat design teams, never mind the coloring now, okay? So whoever I don't mention from my design teams, you will know that was them who sent the email. They set themselves up, guys, it wasn't me. So these are our foiling results. Look at that, guys. Look at that, eh? Look at it, my friend. Look at it. It is gorgeous. Oh, chef's kiss. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so silly sometimes. So anyway, lucky for me, the foil plate seems to have cut out some of the flowers, so fussy cutting should be easier since I don't have the flower dies because they were sold out since you guys bought everything. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. Okay, through the power of YouTube, I have fussy cut everything. All the 3 panels, guys. These are the flowers I'm going to use, and these are the spare ones that you can either make 2 of these cards or just save them for another project. So this is the general layout I want to go with. I've added a strip of gold mirror card there on one edge, and then a gold foiled butterfly and sentiment, and all those are from Pinkfresh Studios. And for the flowers, I'm going to prop the top ones up on some foam tape to give them dimension and stick the bottom ones flat on with some really good liquid glue. A little tip here, once you've stuck your flower down, just hold down the center and then pull some of those petals up like so, because this will give our flowers a little pop. Okay, so go on ahead and stick all the other flowers in the embellishments and the embellishment bits, then your card is done. Core blimey, look at that sparkle, guys. Like, so beautiful, right? This would be so perfect for Mother's Day. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but just change the sentiment and your mom will be like so blown away. I'm like blown away. I love this so much, guys, and at night it sparkles so beautifully, so beautifully. So for more embossing powders ideas, check out my video here on the Wow Embossing channel and my Instagram page. There are so many reels with ideas there, so please follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because I try and post so many different ideas on my reels. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't leave without liking the video and subscribing if you're not yet subscribed, please, and turn on the notification bell because you love me so much and you don't want to miss out. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I did that, guys. See you on the next one.